Today we're featuring a 2015 Buick Lacrosse Premium. It's got 62,000 miles on it. It's this graphite gray metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals and the lights here. Alright, driver's side of the vehicle is really good. One more thing I forgot to mention here. It's got the lock, unlock right here in the handles, both front and rear doors. Okay, it's got the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Passenger side of the vehicle is in great shape. It does have the dual sunroof panels up there. All right, so this thing is really well taken care of on the exterior. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside here. Door panels black on black. Nice metallic wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, memory seats, Bose audio. All right, black leather seating, power driver's seat. All right, passenger seat looks good too. No problems there. Let's go ahead and get your keyless entry key fob out. Show you that with remote start. It is an automatic. It's got air conditioned and heated seats, AM, FM, CD player. It's going to have your display right there, but it's got lane departure, collision alert, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel. It even has heads up display here, so it's got all the bells and whistles. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 62,058 miles on it. Go ahead and show you your navigation. Backup camera. Go ahead and get it back to your home page here, and those are all your apps. So it does have lane mitigation and collision. All right, now you can see it's got the heated seats, air conditioned seats, dual climate controls. All right, and I showed you all this earlier with the heated wheel, Bluetooth and all that. So go ahead and show you this. It's got the sunscreen that comes up in the back. Okay, it's got the universal remote right here. All right, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look at the sunroof here. Simply hit that button here, and that's what takes care of the shade. All right, so there's your dual panel sunroof. All right, let's go ahead and hop out and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here look good. Back seat leather's in good shape back here. Alright, it does have the center console that comes down, the storage area, and the cup holders. Nice convenient power outlet down there. Alright, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. All right, carpet back here is clean. That's your spare tire right there. Let's step to the side so you can see the depth. Plenty of room in the back of this Lacrosse. Let's check out your wheels and tires. We've got 20-inch alloys. All right, Goodyear tires, still got plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Buick Lacrosse, 62,000 miles on it. This thing's in good condition inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.